Hey, welcome to Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. One of the few places around that you can actually stop in and see a park model log cabin. And this is a cool one too. It's all cedar inside and out. It's a very cool trailer. It's got cedar logs on the outside. We generally put these in and then skirt them in tan to match the windows. But if you want to get ambitious, you can definitely use the cedar log or use the RVIA or Texture 111 for the skirting. But anyhow, I got to show you this log cabin. I used to call them a bristlecone lodge. This is actually a 39 ND, and it's produced by Forest River, and it's a really cool concept. As you can see in here, we'll get in here, the walls have cedar paneling on them also, so it really smells like the inside of a hope chest in here. And then all the decorations come with, so everything in here goes. Got shiplap on the ceilings. That's a nice touch. Shiplap feature wall. Got a fireplace running. Footstool. Sleeper sofa. Nice loft for sleeping area. Little staircase leading up to it. And got a loft covering about roughly one half of the trailer. The middle half, if that makes any sense to you. In other words, in the front here, you've got a tall ceiling, and the loft does not extend over the master bedroom. There's a lot of good sayings in this log cabin. One fine fisherman lives here with the catch of his life. Welcome. Cabin rolls. Make memories, sleep in. So on and so forth. You got an 18.5 cubic foot fridge. You've got a 36-inch range and microwave. You got full extension ball bearing drawer guides on all drawers. There's storage under these seats. You got table and 4 chairs, of course. These seats flip up for storage. Got a house type rear entry door. Mini blinds on all windows. Again, there's no loft over the master bedroom or the living room, so you got a ceiling fan in both areas, which is nice. I like that. If I had to choose a park model for myself, this would definitely be in amongst the top running. Cedar inside and out. Cedar is naturally insect and rot resistant. Repels bugs. They build houses and decks out of cedar. In here, there's a couple of the outside lights. And you got your closet. And of course it's cedar lined too, just like the cabin is. All these decorations go. You got a light over here. And then you've got the electrical panel with everything clearly marked what it's for. 50 amp electric service powers these. Pretty good sized bedroom. Queen bed and bedspread. Like I say, there's mini blinds on all the windows. This one has plank flooring throughout the entire main floor. I wanted to point that out. See, it's got plank flooring everywhere. The only place it doesn't have plank will be the stairs and the loft. They have to carpet them. That's just the way it is. So the bathroom here is a real nice bathroom. Plenty of room around the stool. You've got a linen closet hidden behind the tub here. Linen or towels or both. It's a shower surround, fiberglass tub surround, so you can take a shower or bathe, whatever trips your trigger. Nice big vanity. It's still got the full extension ball bearing drawer guides on the drawers, so you can load them up. Life is better at the cabin. That goes without saying. And then there you have it. Nice medicine cabinet. There is an exhaust fan in here. So, as you can see, the walls are all cedar. The plank flooring extends throughout the whole trailer. There's lots of cabinetry. I think Forest River really outdid themselves on this one. This is called the Bristlecombe Lodge 39ND. They've gotten quite expensive. I priced one out the other day for a guy with every option possibly available. It was in the 80s. And you can buy this one for less than that. So, you know, stop on by, make a deal, and we'll set it up for you. We deliver anywhere in the lower 48. I truly hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to leave me a comment, that'd be awesome. Thanks and have a great day.